How to fix Snapchat messages. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the messages easily and fast. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat like this, click on Snapchat and then click on force stop right here and then go to the storage as you can see right here and then click on this clear data option and click on clear cache. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure to enable all those permissions right here, and after that the last thing you want to do is click on force stop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.